Hello dear viewers, have you ever wondered how to run a ParaTime node? This video is going to guide you and is going to show you step-by-step guide on how you can do this at your own convenience. Credit to Oasis, as this video is brought to you from their tables. Now let's go properly into the steps. Number 1. Like mentioned, number 1 is installing the necessary softwares. You cannot actually run a ParaTime node without having a software at all. You can't do that. And apart from the software, there are some dependencies that you need. And these dependencies include other associating add-ons that you need to install with the ParaTime node as well. The ParaTime node software package isn't just all that is involved. We also have a compatible Ethereum blockchain software. This is also going to be an add-on, and it's very important as it associates together and gives you your starting block of installing or having a ParaTime node set up. Now, another very important thing that you need to have in place is this. That is a configuration file. And this configuration file includes some necessary information such as the node name, the Ethereum account address, and other associated information that will come along with it. This I can actually give you all because each package comes with its own necessary requirements. So when you have your package installed, you're going to find a list of all the requirements that comes along with that. Furthermore, we'll proceed is adding the appropriate network address to the configuration file. So this configuration file is going to have some associated network address settings connected to it. That is one step. Now, furthermore, there is another important step that you cannot do without, and that is this. Is the command prompt. At this stage, the ParaTime node will begin to process necessary commands. Furthermore, the network will begin to synchronize. The ParaTime node itself will begin to synchronize with the network, and then transactions will begin processing. After that, you need to monitor the node. And apart from monitoring the node, you also need to ensure that everything is running orderly. How do you monitor the node? You need to actually check its performance, its data allocation, its configuration. When you make sure everything is intact and in place, then you're very sure that you're on the right track. Because if you do not, or if you skip monitoring its performance and configuration, there could be some jam that will happen without your knowledge. So lastly, you need to keep it up to date. Just like every software application, it's very important they are up to date so they get the latest information. Likewise, a ParaTime node, after the configuration, setting up and monitoring, you need to make sure it's always up to date by regularly updating it so you get updated of its new features. And when it's up to date, you're very sure that you're updated with the market trend and its systems, its transaction, its processes, and its network. With this, I believe that you now have the step-by-step guide on how you can actually and successfully or efficiently run a ParaTime node without any disturbance or without any confusion. See you in the next series of videos, and don't forget to stick to Oasis Foundation.